Welcome to another episode of Soap Opera. With Polly, Judd, Gina, Patrick, Rosie, Mike, and Deandra.
Today, Judd and Gina's secret rendezvous.
No, this can't go on. It won't work. It's over.
You're so transparent. I know you still want me.
You're wrong.
Look me in the eyes and say that.
You don't have eyes.
Feisty, aren't you?
All right, it's true. I've wanted you since I first saw that pump of yours, but we're wrong for each other.
So what if we're brands apart? Remember, opposites attract.
You're not like the others. They're all so hard, unyielding.
Don't fight it. It's bigger than both of us. It's fate.
You make me feel like I'm floating on water.
Just like I thought. Consorting with a liquid half her age. Won't this look good on the cover of the Daily Sun?
Will this frolic by the fixtures lead to disgrace and despair? Tune in tomorrow. Dear Mum, picked up the fish serum from Buddy. Dropped it off with the new contact at the Oasis. And it seems to work pretty good. But I had a bad reaction.